What's up, guys? Welcome back to the best channel on YouTube, Stetson Pacheco Studios. I'm not wearing my shirt today, but yeah. It's a cute Chihuahua shirt, though. And in today's video, me and my sister, Savannah, right there, hello, Sappy. Her initials are SAP, so I call her Sappy. And in today's video, me and Savannah are doing a Nerf obstacle course battle. It's not exactly an obstacle course, we have to shoot down targets, but it sounds better in the title. And guess what today's winner gets, Savannah? I forgot to tell you. Today's winner wins a Tesla. Teslas are my... Too bad. Teslas are my dream car, so I better win this today. If you're ready, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's go into the intro. So today we are going to be shooting down targets all around our beautiful house. Can't see all of it from here, but yeah. And we're going to be using this bad boy right here. Special thanks to my buddy Isaiah for getting this for me for my birthday. And so, here's how the round's going to work. We're here in our TV room. We have to shoot down this 7-Up can. Then we got to shoot down a DVD over there. Then we got to shoot down that water bottle. Come over here. Hit that bongo. It has to make the bongo sound. Then we're going to run over here. Stand behind those binoculars. And shoot down that little chapstick bottle there. And that's when your time will end. And whoever wins that is the big winner of round 1. The round 2 is going to get even crazier. Oh, and we have a refill station there in case you run out. Whoever has the fastest time wins. No shooting. If you do, that's a 10-second penalty. Okay, Savannah, you ready?
What am I shooting?
You're shooting that 7-Up can.
From back here?
You have to be behind the couch. Then the DVD player, you have to be behind Baron. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! First try! Okay, DVD. No, this bongo! You guys stand behind that line on the floor. Oh, okay. Now, you have to knock down that chopstick. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's a bunch. There's a bunch more. You're just out of bullets. Got it. 27 seconds. Is Savannah's time. Now, we're gonna set the targets and it'll be my turn. I better win this, I'm scared. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! What was my time?
14 seconds.
Oh, 14 seconds for a 14-year-old! I'm 27! Yeah, you're not 27. So, yeah, I definitely won round 1. So, we're gonna set up round 2, and let's fast forward to that. Okay, guys, so for round 2, we have to start in Savannah's room behind those slippers. Hi, birds. You have to shoot down this bank robber off the bathtub into the ocean. And then you have to come back. You have to stand behind you. Then you have to stand at my door and shoot that water bottle off the top of my bed. Sorry if I'm being too loud. Then you have to come here, shoot that soda can off the dining table, hit the bongo again, run through that door, and it'll take you back out to this door back there. You gotta stand behind these binoculars and shoot down SpongeBob there. Then come back around, shoot down that CD case again, and then for your time to be over, you have to shoot down this chopstick piece right there. And that is when your time will be up, and Savannah's gonna go first. You ready, Savannah?
Hang on.
Fake sneeze. Oh, okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1, and go! Oh! Okay, soda can on the dining table. Refill station. Oh. Wait, it didn't knock it down. It's gotta knock down. This one. Gotta knock it down. Okay, bongo, bongo, bongo. Okay, go through the room. Go through that door. Meet you at this side. Okay, knock down SpongeBob. Oh no, you gotta try to find some darts. Now you have to stay. There's one right there by your foot. Here, I'll help you a little. Oh no. Oh no. Shoot down SpongeBob. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Next, you gotta do the CD at the computer, the office.
Down done?
Yeah, no. Then you gotta shoot down the chapstick in the living room. There's a bunch in the living room. There's a bunch in the living room.
What do I need?
The CD. All right, chapstick, and you're done.
Where?
Over there in the corner. Oh, 1 minute 50 seconds. Not that bad,
I
actually.
stopped it a little bit late.
Okay, it was like 1:48, so I stopped it a little bit late. 1 minute 48 seconds. Now it's gonna be my turn.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
3,
You
2,
can put the timer on the couch once you're
go.
I almost fell.
For you.
Flip hand. Don't let me down, SpongeBob. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Oh, Reese's sticky. That would be a lot easier. Thing.
Uh-oh.
What?
You might win, actually.
Oh, I just got 2 targets? Alright,
Uh-oh.
where's my tablet?
It's right there.
Oh. Okay. Uh-oh, I'm at 1 minute 7 seconds. Ah! Oh, 1 minute 12 seconds. I stopped it late. Wait, what was your time? Wait, I think I won.
1 minute 28.
No, it's 1 minute 50. I won! I won a Tesla!
Okay, Stetson, let's go outside and show you your Tesla.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see my Tesla.
Are you happy?
There's a Tesla outside for me?
Yep.
Ooh. Is it in the driveway?
Yes.
Ooh, my Tesla. Where is it?
It's right in front of you.
That thing?
Yeah.
That's my Tesla I won?
It's your Tesla. It's your Tesla. Do you like it?
What a great battle prize. Well, thank you guys. Zoom out, please. I can tell you're zoomed in, judging by how much the camera pops out.
Okay.
It's not zoomed out. Zoom out,
There.
or you're fired. All the way out?
It is.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Stop zooming in. I'll see you on the next video. Toodles. I gotta go grab that. I probably broke it.